Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me extra version for my passport. I didn't film an intro to this. I filmed everything but an intro. I wanted my passport photo to look cute because my last one did not look cute. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love you. Mwah! Take this time to say, for one procrastinator to maybe another, do not wait to the very last second to renew your passport. Why, you may ask? Well, also, I live in Canada. Different countries have different protocols, but I can only speak for Canada and renewing. Yeah, anyway. Oh, Canada. I literally waited until the last possible second to renew my passport. So basically, when your passport expires, let's say your passport expired June 19th, 2019. You have until June 19th of 2020 to renew it. They give you a year. I waited for literally the last week or two to send it in and cross my fingers. So, don't be like me. Don't do it. Just renew it when it expires. Because if you go past that date, you have to apply for a whole new passport. So here's me renewing my passport that has already been almost a year expired. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I need to shower right now. Oh, my hair's greasy. Good morning. It's passport photo day today. Come with me to get my passport photos. I'm gonna get all ready. Hi, I was wondering if I could book a lip wax for today. Their only availability is right now, so I'm gonna go. And I also booked a hair washing, so I'm bougie. I wanna make my hair really, really nice. So I booked in for them to wash it, blow dry it, and maybe curl it. Mustache. Let's go get that waxed, because I don't want it to be seen in the passport photos. It's this cold out today. Disgust. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much. Thank you, you too. Ah, got it done. Yes, and apparently I have a beard too. Or me yelling that. I have a beard starting, so she just plucked. There was like one little chin hair. Well, I'm a witch. I think my first outfit's a no. I think it's too revealing. So I actually thought this was gonna look classy. I literally like put it on. I was like, oh, this is like cute little like, this little top is like cute. It's just like, I look like a playmate or some shit. That'll just be for a different day. Okay, I'm gonna put on some makeup now and get ready with you guys. So this is the outfit that I decided to wear. I'm gonna get my hair to cover most of it. I don't know if I can have my shoulders showing, but I wanted it to be like higher neck so that you don't see cleavage. I wanted it also to be like one solid color. So, and I want it to be pink because hi. So let's get started. Getting my hair done after this. Yes, I'm extra. Using the e.l.f. I think honestly this e.l.f. primer is what's breaking me out. Or since I started using this, I started breaking out. So I need to get a new one. I am in the middle of two different foundation colors right now of these Fit Me. I'm in the middle of 120 and 125. Hey, let's be cake face today, I guess. I'm almost out of this. So I also have an event tonight, so I'm not solely getting ready for my passports with this. It's kind of like a two-in-one, a twofer. What the hell? Oh, this is out. Okay, there's the two colors. Mixy poo. Okay, I'm just gonna rub this there. I know you can see my bra here. I don't have a strapless bra that doesn't show through the shirt, so my hair will just cover it, I hope. I don't remember getting passport photos. I don't even know how old I was. Actually, I could probably tell by the year. What am I thinking? I just want my passport photos to be cute because it's something that stays with you. And the only thing that's weird or different is when I'm going through customs and stuff, I always look like this, like with no makeup on, because I don't usually travel. Well, sometimes it depends. But I usually will book an early morning flight, so I don't have makeup on. This is not my skin tone. Oh well, I'm paler than this. My foundation not matching in my passport photos. Me having zits in my, because honestly it's from that primer. I know it is. It's nothing against that primer. It just doesn't work with my skin personally. I just want the passport photos to look cute. And my makeup blends so much better when I have no mustache and no beard apparently. I've got a beard now. Your 30s are a big hairy mess. Just letting you guys know what to look forward to. And I don't know if you can show shoulders, so I'm gonna bring a sweater with me just in case. And I don't think you can smile either. I'm not looking forward to that. I'm gonna double layer this foundation up to look extra cakey. Bad pimples. The first outfit that I've tried on for you guys, I think I'm gonna wear that to my event tonight because it's boobalicious. Look how greasy my hair is. I'm so glad I'm getting it. I'll take you guys along with me to get it all washed and blown out. I think I'm so extra. Like, who goes and gets their hair washed and blown? Well, I do have a lot of extensions, so That's how I'm justifying it. The e.l.f. Concealer here I really like and doesn't break me out. So that's good. Setting powder. I'm low on my powder. Ooh, my mustache feels like smooth. Well, where the mustache was. Let's remove the foundation on the lips. I have half an hour before I have to go. I am using this MAC blush in Trace Gold to contour because I like it. I think it looks good. Let's bronze up my face and see what we got. Some bronzer. Go heavy with the bronzer today. So sorry if it doesn't look blended. I just really want to look tan and this is like my way to do it. I wonder if she can curl my hair. I booked in for just like a wash and a blow dry, but I wonder if she has time to curl my hair. I wonder if I can add that on. So I want it to be like really voluptuous. And the curls last a few days and I can like put it up after, and the curls, it just looks so good with this extensions. The reason why I'm getting it is because I have all these like extensions here and it takes so long to wash and blow dry and straighten and style. So I don't even know if I want blush. No, I don't think I want blush. I think I like it just how it is. Okay, now eyebrows. Okay, I like how my face is bronzing. Yay. You know what also? I don't like to bring negativity, but I'm just gonna say something briefly. I've been having recently behind the scenes things that are in my personal life. I've had a lot of things go wrong, like one after another recently. I don't know what that is. The universe is testing me. Literally, like I'm having a lot of just unfortunate things happen to me behind the scenes. Just decided to every single day wake up with a happy face, or try to at least. Let my good karma shine through. And it is working slowly but surely. I think pushing through the not so good times can just, you know, make your happy times a lot fresher. Like they make it just, it's a lot more rewarding when you've pushed through the bad times and then you get rewarded almost with happy times. It's a good feeling, honestly. Some people say, and I can't get it out of my head now, when people say that when some girls do this, they look like the Grinch. These are marks from my cat, by the way. Shugsy was on the counter and he was falling off the counter and he grabbed onto me as he was falling off, like with dear life. I was like, I thought he like pierced my vein. I was like, oh my god. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Cremated palette. I actually really like this palette a lot. It blends so nicely and it has a bunch of smoky colors. Like the colors are perfect for me. I'm gonna do Solemnly Swear. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit on the outer corner. Give it like a catty look. Just gonna blend this away and I'll be back. Okay, this is the eye look that I came up with. I just did some of the white in the inner corner there. Anyways, what I was saying is I always look like with no makeup. So if I like doll myself up like fully, they might be like, you're not that person in the picture. And then we've got a problem on our hands. And now we're like in interrogation. Mistaken identity. More bronzer. I'm putting it like on the apples of my cheeks too because I really want to be bronzy. It's kind of like making me look older than I am. I've just realized that. Oh my god, too much. Liquid liner. I'm using these lashes. These are Mykonos Lily Lashes in 3D faux mink. Give me a really nice, sexy look. That's what we're going for. We're going for sexy. So I'm gonna stick these on and I'll be right back. And here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this is what they look like. I love the look. I'm going to put on the stuff in the car. I'm gonna bring this mascara and stuff, my bronzer in case I want to bronze more, all in the car. Okay, I'm going to go get my hair washed and styled for me. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be late. I have an appointment in 15 minutes. Cute. Let's go. I'm now doing my lips in the car as I was wearing a mask while getting my hair done. My hair looks so good. Who does all this for passport photos? Well, I want to look cute in it. I look so extra going in here. I'm so excited. Okay, here's a better view of my hair. View. Take in the view, everyone. Take it all in. Oh my gosh, I should get a drink as well. I just ordered food. I think it's too late. Is it too late? Can you add a drink? because I have a drag show to go to tonight, but I'm done filming that, so I can turn off the light. Turn off the light, turn off the light. I'm running myself a bath so I can shave, and I need to choose an outfit for tonight too. I don't know why I keep going like this. I'm an eagle. I make myself laugh. Hey cuties! I am back. It has been a minute, but I am back and I'm fine. I finally can post this video for you guys. So things that happened that you didn't see is I didn't even show you guys the passport photos that I got done when I went and got all dolled up. I literally had them in my hand because I had to send them away. So I only have like screenshots of them. So this is what they look like. And I was like, yes, that's how because my last passport, like, I have the passport. I'm very excited. Let's open it up. I just thought it was funny that I was so extra in it. Okay, so there was a little bit of a confusion. They did phone me, so good. So if you're ever gonna apply for a passport, first of all, A, be truthful and everything, and B, give your correct phone number and I usually like don't answer calls that I don't know. So it was weird. I was like, I feel like I should answer this. I answered it, and they said that if I wouldn't have answered, they would have just denied my passport, denied, and then I would have had to redo it all over again, which then would have been the deadline to get my passport done. So meaning I would have had to reapply for a whole new one and not just a renewal. A pain in the ass. So basically one of my references, their address, they had a change of address. So the address that that person had on file was not the same address. So they just had to get me to get the correct address. Also, my hair looks like a rat tail. Don't bother. I think I look cute, but then at the same time I'm like, brush your hair. I tried to brush this honestly for over an hour. I'm gonna have biceps, so we're just not even gonna worry about the hair. We're just gonna rip this open. I can travel. I've been wanting to get my breast implants changed, and you need a Yes, this is the passport. I want my breast implants changed. Oh my god, look at this, look at this. 2. Oh, okay. Feels so holy, 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 holy. So this is my old passport. So there's an option to get your old passport back if you do not live in Canada or have never seen a Canada passport. This is what they look like. It just sucks. It just sucks like having all these like stamps, you know? I feel like Jason Derulo. I got lipstick stamps in my passport. So that's why I wanted this back, for the photo, the memory, and for like all the places I've been to. Like literally there's all around the world. I was all around the world. So, Justin Bieber. I keep song quoting. So here's my new one. What? We got iced. By who? He said, hey, there's something on your truck. I was like, what? He's like, yeah, I don't know. You should just go check it out quick. He's like, there's something on there. Can you show us in the video? Oh. So I told him I'd do it, but he said, you have to take a video or I won't believe you. Okay, we'll vlog it. I'm almost on my video. Holy mother. Okay, oh, it's so new. Okay, it looks so good. I love it. Look at this. Everything's right. Everything's correct. Oh, when it expires, I'll probably be dead. Which is so vulgar. Okay, girl. Okay with your pink extensions. Yes, girl. Love it. I love it. My makeup looks cute. I look fierce. I look... You know, I'm smizing. I'm happy that, you know, this is all crisp and clear. I'm ready to go to the States. Wow! Ready to get these babies replaced. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, honestly, and for carrying along with this. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!